Summer day camps are organized programs designed for children and teenagers during the summer months when schools are typically on break. These camps offer a variety of activities, both recreational and educational, to keep participants engaged and active. Here's a general overview of how summer day camps typically work. 1. Registration. Parents or guardians register their children for the camp, usually online or through a registration form provided by the camp organizers. Registration may involve selecting specific weeks or sessions for attendance, providing emergency contact information, and disclosing any relevant health or medical details. 2. Age groups and camp themes. Camps are often organized into age-specific groups to ensure age-appropriate activities and supervision. Some camps may have specific themes or focuses, such as sports, arts and crafts, science, nature exploration, or a combination of various activities. 3. Daily schedule. Camps typically operate during daytime hours, with drop-off and pick-up times established for the convenience of parents. The daily schedule includes a variety of activities, such as arts and crafts, sports, games, outdoor activities, educational workshops, and more. There are usually scheduled breaks for snacks and lunch. 4. Qualified staff. Camps are staffed by trained and qualified individuals, including camp counselors, instructors, and sometimes specialized activity leaders. Counselors often undergo background checks and may have certifications in CPR and first aid. 5. Safety measures. Safety is a top priority, and camps implement various safety measures to ensure the well-being of the participants. This may include having a nurse or first aid station on site, establishing emergency procedures, and maintaining a secure and supervised environment. 6. Communication with parents. Camp organizers keep parents informed about camp activities, schedules, and any important announcements. There may be regular newsletters, emails, or parent meetings to discuss the camp's progress and upcoming events. 7. Special events and field trips. Some camps organize special events, theme days, or field trips to enhance the overall camp experience. These activities could include visits to local attractions, water parks, museums, or other educational and recreational venues. 8. End of camp celebrations. Many camps conclude with end of camp celebrations, where participants showcase what they've learned or created during their time at camp. Parents are often invited to attend these events. 9. Feedback and evaluation. Camp organizers may gather feedback from both parents and participants to evaluate the success of the program and identify areas for improvement for future sessions. Overall, the goal of summer day camps is to provide a fun and enriching experience for children during their summer break. Fostering personal growth, social development, and the acquisition of new skills,